Okay, so Series just recently released a paper straw on their 200 ml juice cartons. It's the first in South Africa, so they've taken the plastic straws and they've now put an eco-friendly paper straw on it. So we at iloveza.com have teamed up with Series. We're starting a new YouTube series called Conservation Starter. Okay, where we're going to be interviewing many environmentalists, conservationists, and basically organizations that are doing good for our environment, for Mother Nature. And we are doing a few press drops, and we're going to give a few lucky media friends some of the series juice to try out, and we have a few gifts that we've added to the bag as well. One of them is this lunchbox. It's from Okiyo. It's a Machi lunchbox. Am I pronouncing that
I don't know.
correctly?
I was saying Maki.
Machi, I don't know. It's a wheat straw lunchbox. Okay, so why wheat straw? Wheat straw is the stalk left over after wheat grains are harvested. Traditionally, it has been treated as waste, but now it can be used to mix in with traditional plastic. This reduces the quantity of plastic needed to produce this product and accelerates its biodegradability. What's that one?
You look like Ross.
Biodegradability once it is eventually disposed of.
You're reading.
In addition, this product is durable and
Let's just read it.
reusable, offering an alternative to single-use plastic. Okay, so let's have a look at the lunchbox. So follow the hashtag series paper straw challenge, okay, and follow hashtag keep ZA clean, and you will find out all the information about our upcoming conservation series, as well as there's a roundtable discussion from series hosted by Craig Foster, who is the Academy Award winning producer of the My Octopus Teacher, the Netflix original documentary series. Okay, so this is the lunchbox, and there's many uses for it. So you can see it's quite nice. It's got Okiyo, elements of nature at the bottom here. It's quite sturdy, and this is, if you have something hot, you can take this out, and then it lets out the steam. You know, like your flask when you open that little pot to drink, and then it lets out a little bit of steam. Okay, so that's that. Then we have, it's lockable with this little device here, and then you can see it's nicely sealed. It's got this little rubber thing there, can seal nicely. You open it up, and it has a little divider as well. So if you want to put your series juice in there nicely, you want to put a pack of safari peanuts in there. That's a new flavor, salt and vinegar. And if you want to put a little cookie in there as well, they can all
Make
fit.
it a bigger cookie. I mean a smaller cookie.
A smaller cookie, but it all fits in, and then you can just close it up like that, and you've got your lunch ready to go. But what's also what I like is, while I'm having my lunch or my snacks, this little locky thingy, I don't know what to call it, I can take my phone, right, and I can put on YouTube on I Love ZA's YouTube, and I can place it here. So it's like a phone stand.
So turn it to the side.
So I can either put it that way, like up, or I can put it down, and I can watch I Love ZA's YouTube conservation series while I'm eating and drinking my series juice. How cool is that?
Okay, so that little device inside is a divider.
Yes.
That one on top of the lid
Yeah.
is a blowing off steam.
Flag of steel. Okay.
And then this one here
Is the lock for the.
is the lock for the move it to its side, please, man. For the container, and it's a phone stand. Can be used as a phone stand.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn at iloveza.com. Go to our website, it's iloveza.com. Hashtag iloveza, the heart and South African flag. Hashtag after Fajr grind. And I am Ziyaad and I love ZA.